Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to protect the floors of your JL. The factory carpeting in your new JL Wrangler is great for the highway, but if you take it off-road or in areas where you're going to get a little bit dirty, then today we're going to look at these Mopar all-weather floor mats fitting your new 2018 Jeep JL 4-door Wrangler. These Mopar all-weather floor mats complete both the front and rear of your new JL. They feature a red Jeep logo with a few other little accents, including it looks like a dinosaur head and even a pickaxe and a shovel and what looks to be a map. These are going to protect your Jeep from the snow, mud, dirt, and grime, and anything else you pick up on your boots when you get in and out of your Jeep. They have drain holes and a nibbed backing to not slip on the carpet when you install them. So with that being said, let's put them onto our 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler. We removed the doors of our Jeep to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see what we're doing. The first step is to remove the factory floor mats, so let's get started. As you can see, the floor mats we have here, our vehicle is only 2 weeks old and they already look pretty worn. To get them removed, you simply pull up here on this corner and then on this corner here, and they'll pull right out. You might want to get this vacuumed out before you start with the new install. However, that's up to you. The next step is to remove this perforated section of carpeting here. Your drain plug's right underneath it. If you pull it up, you can get it out a little bit. Then just use a little blade and go along the edge. Be careful not to cut your actual carpet. Then it'll pull right out and you can pull your drain plug out and we'll get this vacuumed up. Go ahead and grab the front driver's side floor mat. One of the nice things Mopar did was actually place the location of where the floor mat goes on this little diagram here. As you can see, it's the front driver's side, so let's get started. Slide the floor mat in with the Jeep logo facing outwards. Like I said, it does have that nibbed backing, so it makes it pretty nice and actually grips the carpet really well. There's 2 posts, and if you push down, it'll pop into those posts. And then one of the coolest features of these floor mats is the drain plug right here. This actually goes right through your body tub and goes right to the ground. So if you want to wash out the inside of these floor mats, you can simply do it with a hose, pull the drain plug, and it goes right out. While you're not draining out the floor mat, you can actually reinstall the plug that you pulled out of the tub right on the top there. It's going to make it nice and tight. That way everything will collect in here and not drip out or get on your carpet. Move on to the passenger side and complete the same process. Then you can move on to the rear. The rear is even more simple than the front. There's only 2 little push pins that you have to pull out to get the factory carpet out. There's one up front and there's one right back here towards the back seat. And if you pull it towards you around the post, it'll come right out and you're ready to get your new floor mat in. Same as the front, these rear mats are actually going to show you where they go. This one will slide right in, go around the floor post there. And they are going to be a tight fit. They'll go right onto those posts. Then you can move on to the other side and get the rest done. The driver's side rear mat actually overlaps the passenger side and interlocks here. That way you get the protection in the center there too. I think it's a pretty cool feature and it actually works really well. Once you get that finished up, make sure it's all connected right and your installation is complete. That completes the installation of our new all-weather Mopar floor mats on our brand new JL. They look really awesome, plus they're going to serve their purpose, keep everything in there that we want to, and then we're ready to clean them out. We can drain them through the floor. Now you can find these floor mats as well as many other great parts for your new JL right here at cjponyparts.com.